This is where we fight. This is where we hold them. This is where they die. Remember this day, men, because it will be yours for eternity. What are we talking about? The gold trend line that is just below us. Put on your friggin' helmet, pick up your sword, get that shield out, and get ready to hold this line. If you're a bull, this is the time. If you're a bull, this is your fight. If you're a bull, this is your long. Let's see what it is. All right, let me pop this up. Give me 1 second. Boom. We've got it right here. Check it out. Whew. This is it. This is it, man. Grab your Achilles sword, man. Grab your Achilles sword. I promise you, this is the time. This is the place. This is the stand. Bang! There's 2 ways this goes down. You uphold this trend line, baby, and it goes up, and we go out, and we pump. You lose this trend line. Bang! We're going down. Big down. Okay? This is the last stand. Get above these moving averages. Things might get a little bit better. Things might get a little bit better. This is where things get exciting. This is where traders either get wrecked or they make ridiculous gains. Get ready for it. I'm going to show you the trades. Sorry for the theatrics. Actually, I'm not sorry. I was going to put the helmet on, but I don't want to mess. I'm a prima donna. I don't want to mess up my braids, man. Got to do some filming today for the training that I've got coming out for everybody. Now, here we are. Okay, let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. See what the F is going on here. Woo! Look at that trend channel, man. I wish I had my media assets that I have on my streams. Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the trend lines, man. Right? So, as you can see, this is a very well-respected trend line, man, or trend channel. Kiss here, hit here, hit here, kiss here, right? Kiss here, hit here, kiss here, hit, right? On the upper end, you got 3 hits here. You deviated outside of the range here. You've got a hit, you've got a kiss, kind of came up, kissed it, hit it, blasted through it, tested it as support, okay? So, with that being said, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go down to the 1-hour chart first. We were talking about this yesterday, man. We were talking about this yesterday. We had to move the needle a little bit on this parallel channel, and it hit it perfectly. It hit that uptrend. It hit that uptrend. Where's that uptrend? I'll just pull it off. Bang! Look at that. Bang! Bang! Perfect entry. Perfect entry to anybody that took it. Congrats. Manage your trade, man. I cannot stress that enough. Manage your trade, my friends. As you all know, this was the long entry of long entries, okay? We're targeting the midpoint of this trend channel. Take out these highs and hit this consolidation zone, okay, after the previous all-time high. We're trending down as it sits right now, micro. We're trending up macro. We're trending down micro. Manage your trade. Do not let this round trip your ass. This is serious, serious stuff. You have to take this stuff seriously. This is what I'm going to be teaching you inside of this training. That's going to be like no money at all. No money at all. I have a black t-shirt on. I look like a floating head. Look. That's crazy. That's why I wear the white hoodie so that I can stand out. But it is what it is. In any case, this is your long. Once you take this out, man, where's our cup in handy? I wish I had like a cup of coffee with me. I don't drink coffee. I drink espresso. You know what I'm saying? Like a cup. Yeah. Anyways, we did not take out this low, which is good, right? We did not take out that low. We set a higher low, actually, right? We got to take out these highs right here. And guess what happens when we take out that high? Well, we have a higher swing high, right? if we get here, and then we wait for that bearish or that bullish back test, boom, baby, we add to that long position and we ride that bad boy up until this consolidation zone, right? This consolidation zone, and it was a consolidation zone over here, and it was, guess what? Previous all-time high, baby. You gotta watch those previous all-time highs. All right? So in any case, this is your trade. This is your trade. Manage it, and manage it properly. And remember this day for all time, because this day will be yours forever. It could live in infamy, or it could totally wreck you, okay? You don't want this to happen, and then you get stopped out like a dummy because you didn't move your stop loss, okay? And then if that happens, you bearishly backtest the bottom end of this trend channel, bang, you're entering shorts, right? Where are those shorts taking us? Probably down here. Whoops. What just happened? In that realm right there, those swing lows. Because if you come down here and you take out these swing lows right here, you could get a swing failure pattern here. Watch for the swing failure pattern here, okay? There could be a fake out. There could be a fake out. Do not get faked out. Swing failure patterns are real. They happen all the friggin' time, okay? If you don't know what a swing failure pattern is, search swing failure pattern in the Discord. I promise you I gave you an explanation on it. We are coming up to the 50 right now. We're trying to reclaim it. We're brushing up against it. These moving averages are super tight. If you gain one, you're probably going to gain them all and start moving. You want to get up here, bang, 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 right? That's what you want to see happen, okay? So that's what's happening with gold right now. Perfect entry, man. Perfect entry, okay? What's happening with silver? Well, we're about to find out. All right. I mean, we've got a nice demand zone here. Let's just call it what it is, right? This is a demand zone, and I'm liking it, okay? I'd say from probably about right there, maybe a little bit higher, right? That's your demand zone from about 36.20 to 35.50. Okay, you got to hold this demand zone. This is a swing failure pattern as it sits right now. If you swing fail this, you're pumping up. You've got your perfect entry from the bull flag retest, okay? You've got your perfect entry. You came back and back tested it 3 different friggin' times, man. 1, 2, okay, 2 times. They call me Tony 2 times. Why? Because I say everything 2 times, 2 times. I'm gonna go get the papers, If you haven't watched Goodfellas, I don't know what you're doing, right? One of my favorite movies ever. Tony 2 times, right? So we tested this 2 times. We got a double bottom here, bang, bang, right? We do have a descending triangle here. That's a bullish pattern, okay? This is your long entry right here. This is your long entry, okay? That's your descending triangle. Let's save it. Why is this bullish? Because this is trending down, right? Why is this bullish? Because you're setting lower highs, but you're setting the same lows, right? And technically you're setting higher lows here. This could even be like a bullish triangle. Bullish symmetrical triangle. Not super symmetrical, but symmetrical enough, right? But in any case, that could also just be a pennant, right? And I'll show you the pennant here in just a second. Bang, there's your pennant. Does that look like a bull pennant to you? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. It'll make it even more abundantly clear, right? Does that look like a bull pennant to you? I'd say so, right? So in any case, you are trading and you're coiling inside of this. You break above 36.75, it's on. It's on and popping, right? You can add to your long position here. Once you break below this level, right? And we'll turn the bull flag on. Once you break below this level, you have to be thinking about shorting at least down to this 200 moving average at 35.60. Bottom end of the demand zone, 35.50, right? So those are your trades, man. Hold the line. Hold the line. I don't know what to tell you. Prepare for battle. See you in the next video. Respectfully.